Well, I started, I guess, 12 years ago when Frank started, and then I think my third or fourth event here inside the last turn, I crashed the last 2000.
What do I ask now?
What?
What year it is, what kind of car it is.
No.
What should I do?
Wait, guys. Wait. You done asking?
I forgot. Okay, well, he told us his journey. It seemed 12 years.
Okay, let's speak about the car.
Okay, all right. Wait, let me see if I can ask.
You guys
Okay, go ahead. Start again.
Don't be
Is it
afraid.
rolling?
It's running.
Okay, all right. So you said 12 years.
Yeah.
Did you jump right into this? Because some people start with like autocross or
Oh, no, I don't
go-karting.
do that. That's not for me.
It's not. You went right
into it all the way.
All right.
Cooking with gas over here.
Cooking with gas, jumping right
Hit
into
the
the
loud
deep end.
pedal and we're...
Rest it when I call it, I still roll deep. Knock start, give me the beat and let me prove. London City forever, you're not a still crew. Ain't no stopping ever, you best move. Live on,
Nice tape job, son. Good custom.
Good custom tape. My head's burning.
Ready to fuck shit up today?
What?
So you ready to fuck shit up today?
I mean, I've been fucking shit up all weekend.
Mm.
Not in a good way.
Mm.
I've been breaking stuff. But, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Did you go to the speed tape store?
I went to the speed tape store.
I did do an interview and you left me.
Oh, I didn't know that was happening right that second.
I didn't have a choice, it seemed like.
Oh.
But I did it anyway. And it was a minute 10 knockout. Ugh.
Like one of these, like a...
Yes?
The splitter's falling off.
Yeah, I heard. Everyone thought it was Rod Knock. Yeah. Yeah. He's like, oh, that's Rod Knock.
Who said that?
Some kids on top of the fucking tower, and I was just like, bruh. Like, it's not Rod Knock.
No, my splitter's broken. But someone said it was Rod Knock.
Yeah. I was like, you're new.
You know how loud it would be at 8,000
That's
RPM?
what I said to him. I was like, dude, that sounds ridiculous. Packing up?
No, I'm just swapping tires.
Swapping tires? Do your thing, bro. I'm just documenting, you know what I mean? Why are you swapping?
Try these again. Save those a little bit for Lime Rock November. So I have something. I have another set of tires at home.
Don't you have one
but
more session?
I have 2 more.
Oh, what's your plan of attack?
To drive better. I think that's the only thing I really can do. The car is good. I just changed maps because I was under boosting because of the heat and the humidity. So we'll see if I can pull a little bit more top end, maybe a little bit better outer corner torque. We'll see, but I just want to give these tires another go. I think they're only really good for about 12 sessions, which is about what they're about to be at. So I can't complain. I like them.
What's wrong, sir? What's the dilemma?
So I'm like, oh, you know, I should check my lug nuts, make sure they're tight. I get to this one, I'm like, yeah, what's up, dog? You know what I'm saying? Kick, that's tight. You know, it's never fucking tight. I get here, I'm like...
Are none of them tight?
1, 2, my fucking wheel's cracked. Fuck.
Oh, sir. That's a dilemma.
That's a wrap, you know? Good job.